Yes, Pete, very good morning to all of you. So last exercise of algebraic expression we are revising. So let us continue. So first revision test, it will be conducted on 26th, that is Wednesday. So one chapter we have revised, understanding quadrilateral. Second is on the way. The last exercise we are doing, and afterwards we'll start with the last chapter of the first revision test, that is data handling, right? So let us start with 9.5. Let us continue with 9.5. And I'm doing question number 4. Simplify, and I'm doing its third part. 7m minus 8n whole square plus 7m plus 8n whole square. It is to be simplified. Now, this is a question which is containing two questions at a time. Once it is a minus b whole square, another time it will be a plus b whole square. When we are solving this a minus b whole square, we will use the identity a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. And when we are solving 7m plus 8n whole square, we will use the identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now, in the first expression, this is a, this is b. Let us solve it. A square plus b square minus 2a into b plus, here it is again a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay? So let us solve it. You will be having 49m square, 64n square, 49m square, 64n square, this is 49m square, 7 sevens are 49, 8 eights are 64n square, right? Then minus 2 sevens are 14, 14 eights are 112. Then plus 49m square plus 8n square plus 14m, 112m. Right? Now you are to arrange the like terms. How to arrange the like terms? These two are like terms. Sign match karo, plus 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 49 plus 49, 98m square. This is n square plus 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 64 plus 8, 72n square plus n minus 112n. This is answer. Right? Let us do one more part, sixth part. So here you can apply the formula a minus b whole square. This is a minus b whole square. This is a, this is b. A square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. Okay? Plus 2m cube n square. Right? Yes, Omi?
मैम यस मैम, मैंने कहना था कि जो आपने पिछले क्वेश्चन में लिखा है मैम, वहां पर 8n स्क्वायर की जगह 64n स्क्वायर नहीं आना मैम सेकंड इक्वेशन में?
यहाँ पे, हाँ, यहाँ पे 64 आएगा, फिर आंसर थोड़ा चेंज हो जाएगा, 138. ठीक है सौमिन? इट्स
ओके मैम.
चलिए, नाउ दिस स्क्वायर, व्हेन वी ओपन इट, स्क्वायर 2 2s are 4, m raised to power 2. This square will be given to both of them. N square का square n raised to power 4 m का square n square minus 2 m square into m cube to m cube n square. Right? Now this 2m cube n square being like terms, they will be get cancelled. One is with plus, another is with minus, so they will get cancelled. We are having m raised to power 4 plus n raised to power 4. Now the fifth question is show that. What is the meaning of show that? Meaning of show that is sometimes you will solve left hand side and you will definitely reach to right hand side. And other time it is not like this, that you are solving left hand side and you are getting right hand side. You have to solve the left and right hand side separately. Let us see how. I am doing its third part. Show that 4 by 3m minus 3 by 4n whole square plus 2mn is equal to 16 by 9m square 9 by 16n square. So whenever you have to show that, I told you, you have to take the left hand side, right hand side separately. So let us take the left hand side. This is 4 by 3m minus 3 by 4n square. This is a, this is b. A minus b whole square. This is a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b plus 2m. Yes. Further, this is equal to, this is 4 by 3 m का whole square. पहले तो 4 को मिलेगा ये square, it will be 16. नीचे 3 को 9. 3 will get the square, it will become 9. 4 will be get 16 n square. 3 get cancelled. 4 get cancelled. It becomes minus 2m plus 2m. Minus 2mn plus 2mn being like terms with opposite sign get cancelled. So we are having 16 over 9 plus 9 over 16. This is the right hand side. Sometimes you solve the left hand side and you get the right hand side automatically. Sometimes it's not so. You have to solve the left hand side and right hand side both to see whether they are equal or not. ठीक है, ये आपको देखना पड़ेगा. कुछ एक में तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को सॉल्व करते करते राइट हैंड साइड आ जाती है, कुछ एक में आपको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड दोनों को सेपरेटली सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. एक क्वेश्चन ऐसा भी करते हैं. लेट अस डू द बी पार्ट, सेकंड पार्ट. Second part is 9p minus 5q whole square plus 180pq equals to 9p plus 5q whole square. Now we have to take the left hand side and right left hand side first. So let us take the left hand side. This is 9p minus 5q whole square plus 180p. Here which formula will be applied? Ritesh? नहीं, ये किसका फॉर्मूला बन रहा है? क्या आंसर होगा ये नहीं मैं बोल दूं. फॉर्मूला कौन सा बन रहा है? वेरी गुड. a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर. क्या होता है रितेश, बोलो? इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर, शाबाश, -2ab, पहले ये लिख, प्लस बी स्क्वायर, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं। -2ab वाली टर्म अगर कोई पहले लिखना चाहता है तो इट्स ओके। 9 9 are 81 p square, 9 2 are 18, 5 are 19 p cube, 5 5 are 25 q square plus 180 p cube। इसके जैसा कोई भी नहीं है, राइट इट एज इट इज, ठीक है। एंड दीज टू आर लाइक टर्म्स, you have to solve them. Plus minus minus 180 minus 90, this will become plus 90 p cube plus 25. Now when you are solving the left hand side, you are getting this, but this is not equal to right hand side. आपको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड सॉल्व करने के बाद राइट हैंड साइड नहीं मिली, तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब ये हुआ you have to solve the right hand side separately. Let us solve right hand side separately. Right hand side, this is 9p plus 5q whole square, and this is what? This is a plus b whole square formula. So let us apply a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. This will be 81p square plus 25q square plus 2 9s are 18, 5s are 90. You see, you are solving the left hand side, you are getting this answer. You are solving right hand side, you are getting this answer. Both the answer are same. So you will write here left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence good. याद रखना ये क्वेश्चन सबसे इजी होते हैं. Why these questions are easy? क्योंकि इन क्वेश्चंस में हमें पता होता है कि हमारी दोनों साइड्स का इक्वल होना जरूरी है. That means if we are doing some mistake, we can check it, we can recheck it, and we can see that some mistake is there because the two things should be equal. By all means, हर तरह से, जिस तरह से मर्जी हम इसको सॉल्व करें, हर तरह से इसका आंसर जो है वो इसके इक्वल आना ही चाहिए. By all means. ठीक है. Turn over the page. Let us start question number 6. Question number 6. Using identities, find the following. It is, I am taking 6th question, and let us do 3rd part. (102 square). Now you see, if in exam it is written that solve it using identity, and you are directly writing the answer 102 multiply 102 is what, then no marks will be given to you. If it is asked by using identity, you have to solve it, then you have to do it with using identities. ठीक है बेटे? So कैसे करेंगे? First of all, we will break it. How to do the breaking? Breakage is to be done in such a way such that we get a number near to zeros. 102 can be written as 100 plus 2 whole square. So here you can use the formula a plus b whole square. Solve it, you can get the answer. I will just tell you breaking and you can do it further. See the second part. 99 square. Now some of the students, they are taking it to be 90 plus 9. But I would like to take it in such a way such that maximum zeros are there. So I would like to take it as 100 minus 1 whole square. So this is A, this is B. You can apply the identity A minus B whole square. Okay? When it is by using identities, then identities are to be used. Next, see its 6th part. Sixth part is (297) into 303. 297 into 3. Let us choose a number which belongs to both of these and which is containing maximum 0. That is 300, right? This is 300 minus 3. This is 300 plus 3. Ritesh, can you tell me which identity we can apply? Yes, Ritesh. Anyone from the online students? Can you identify that which identity should be applied here? Raise your hand if you are able to tell me. Amarjot, can you tell me which identity I should apply here? Amarjot. Yes, Amarjot. Amarjot, unmute yourself and let me know which identity we should apply here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, bete bolo.
मैम वो a plus b a minus b is equal to a2 minus b2.
Equal to
a2 minus b2.
a square minus b square. ठीक है, बिल्कुल ठीक पहचाना. A minus b into a plus b. This is equal to a square minus b square. This is working as a and this is working as b. एक बार दोनों का सब्ट्रैक्शन है, एक बार दोनों का प्लस है. This is a square minus b square. Solve it and we get the answer. ये किसने दिया? सबको दिया? मुझे दिया सिर्फ? तो ममता मैम को नहीं देते होते वैसे. अच्छा, ठीक है बेटे. दिस विल बी a square minus b square. You can solve it further. This is answer, right? चलिए नेक्स्ट. ये थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है, इसमें बच्चों को ब्रेकिंग मुश्किल लगती है. 1.05 into 9.5. 9.5 के नजदीक जो जीरो वाला नंबर है वो 10 है. तो हम 10 के फॉर्म में इसको ब्रेक कर सकते हैं, बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं. 10 plus 0.5 into 10 minus 0.5. This is the breaking. And moreover, same formula will be applied. A plus b, a minus b. Same formula आप apply करोगे. ठीक है? This will work as a and this will work as b. This is a plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Accordingly, you can do. Let us do seventh question. Seventh question, fourth part. Question number 7. Look at the fourth part. This is (12.1 square minus 7.9 square). 12.1 square minus 7.9. यहाँ पे तो कोई भी देख के बता सकता है कि कौन सी आइडेंटिटी लगेगी. रितेश बता सकते हो विच आइडेंटिटी? हाँ, मतलब किसकी आइडेंटिटी होती है ये? बिल्कुल ठीक, a square minus b square. This is a square minus b square. That is a plus b into a minus b. वैल्यूज पुट कर दो. 12.1 plus 7.9 into 12.1 minus 7.9. solve it further, you'll get the answer. Add them, subtract them and then multiply. अपने आप solve करो आगे. (12.1 plus 7.9 into 12.1 minus 7.9). Firstly, add them, then subtract, and then get multiply. Let us start with the last question of the exercise. Last question is, using the identity x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Find the following. ये आइडेंटिटी अब यूज करनी है, उसने बता दिया. ठीक है, दिस इज पेपर में बताया नहीं जाता होता कि कौन सी आइडेंटिटी, आपको खुद यूज सोचना पड़ेगा कि मैं यहाँ पे कौन सी आइडेंटिटी लगाऊं. ठीक है, so we'll choose the number which is containing maximum zeros and nearby it. This is 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 4. When in exam you are breaking it like this, you yourself have to see that which identity I should apply, right? So identity that you can apply is ये वाली x plus a. This is x. Same number will work as x. ये आपका x हो गया. Different number. This is a and this is b. चलिए इसको सॉल्व करें. The answer is x square. X means the same numbers square, 100 square. Plus different number should be added. That means 3 plus 4. Different numbers को add कर दो. Multiply x, that means same number. Plus multiplication of the different numbers. That means once you are adding 3 plus 4, and now you will multiply 3 and 4. So this is 10,000, 12 into 100 plus 12. This will be 10,000, 1200 plus 12. ये बनेगा आपके पास 2121. Yes, Jabji. Yes, बेटे. Jabji, speak up.
मैम आपने उधर 4 plus 3 12 लिखा है.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness. It is 7. 712. Very good. 100 marks for your attentiveness. चलिए, let us do the third part. Let us do its third part. 103 into 98. फटाफट से इसके पास जो मैक्सिमम जीरोस वाला नंबर है ना, उसके साथ इसको ब्रेक करो. दिस विल बी 100 plus 3, 100 minus 2. तो आइडेंटिटी तो आपको दिख ही रहा है, दो नंबर सेम है, दो नंबर सेम नहीं है. एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स ए प्लस बी इंटू एक्स इंटू ए बी वाली लगेगी. बट मैंने आपको क्या बताया था, ट्राई टू सी प्लस इन बिटवीन. तो माइनस को अंदर ऑब्जर्व कर दो. कैसे? दिस विल बी लाइक 100 plus 3, 100 plus -2. हमने -2 को अंदर कर दिया. So this is again x plus a into x plus b, where a is 3 and b is -2. right? So how to apply this identity? Same number ka square plus adding the different number into the same number plus multiplying the different numbers. Solve it. Solve karo isko and you will get the answer. Just break it and then you will realize that which identity is to be used. Similarly, you can do it second part. Second part is 5.1 into 5.2, right? You can break it again in the same way so that the first number remains the same and the second number of the both the bracket, they can get different, but the first number should be the same. So you can have it 5 plus 0.1, 5 plus 0.2, 5 plus 0.1 into 5 plus 0.2. So this can be x, this is a, this is b. This is x square, इसका स्क्वायर हो गया सेम नंबर का, प्लस एडिशन ऑफ द डिफरेंट नंबर 0.1 plus 0.2 into the same number 5 plus multiplying the different number, that means 0.1 into 0.2. Now you can solve it further. This is 25. 0.3 into 5. 0.0. Add it and you can get the answer. This is all about this chapter. Tomorrow we'll start with the revision of the next chapter, that is data handling, right? So take care.